everyone, welcome to Decrypted by Us, and in today's video we are going to be talking about networking. We're going to talk about what it is, why people do it, and how you can use it to help your tech career. I'm Gabby.
And I'm Jen. So today we'll be covering some misconceptions and resources to help you put your best foot forward in the technical recruiting process. Remember, you can turn on captions if you need them to help you follow along. Let's get started.
The first question we want to ask is, what is networking? And networking is the exchange of information and ideas through opportunity and relationship building. It's about creating relationships that are mutually beneficial.
Exactly. Networking can look like many things, but it's more than a single conversation. It's about building continuous relationships. Remember, everyone can be a valuable person to network with. Let's talk about some of the reasons why networking is important.
First off, it improves you. Networking can help you improve your skill set and your personal brand. When you get connected with companies and potential employers, you learn a lot about your skills and compare what your employers need with how you can improve or learn new skills. It requires you to constantly self-reflect on the skills you currently possess and what you can do better.
Also, networking is a two-way street. It's also about what you can do to help others. You might have a unique skill or experience that can help solve a problem, or maybe you think about something in a new way. Your ideas and experiences can be valuable resources to other people, so always go in with an open mind about how you can help.
Exactly. And know that networking is important for creating a diverse and equitable workplace. By sharing your experiences with diverse employers, you are playing your part in making the STEM industry a more diverse place to work in. This goes for women, non-binary folks, people of all gender, ethnic, and sexual identities. Networking is about sharing resources and putting experiences and ideas in places where they weren't before. Remember, networking improves diversity, which drives forward innovation. But Jen, networking can be pretty difficult. What do we do then?
Yeah, sometimes it can feel really nerve-wracking or even embarrassing to connect with others intentionally. But remember that everyone gets nervous when meeting new people, and all the people recruiting you have been in your shoes before. You have unique experiences and talents that they want to get to know. Networking isn't about tricking people to hire you, it's all about how you have the resources to bring to others. So Gabby, where do we start?
Well, earlier we talked about how networking can look like many different things. And here are some steps from international STEM keynote speaker Alaina Levine to get started. First up is find new contacts. Your current network might be other students, alumni, or mentors. This is a great start. Reach out to those you already know to start building deeper relationships. Also explore professional organizations like Anita-B, Rewriting the Code, the Association for Computing Machinery, and Code 2040. But don't forget established organizations like clubs, extracurriculars, things like technical conferences, hackathons, and career fairs are great ways to get started as well. Remember, you can really network in any cool place with cool people.
The second thing you can do is cold emailing. So if you ever come across someone's work you really like, maybe this is a grad student, a speaker who came to your school, or a writer of an article you really like. In these cases, don't be afraid to send them an email. It never hurts to send your interest and appreciation about a person's work their way. If you're interested in further opportunities with this person, cold emailing is also a great way to ask if there are any ways you can get involved with their work. Perhaps they're interested in setting up an informational interview, or they can point you towards a job application. All of these are possible just by reaching out and showing your interest. Just remember to be gracious and respectful in any email you send. If they don't respond, it's good practice to give at least a week before following up. And if there's still no response, it's best to move forward and spread your awesome networking skills elsewhere.
And don't forget to utilize social media networks. Using social media networks like Facebook, LinkedIn, Handshake are great ways to get connected with the technical community. After events or meeting someone new that you want to keep in touch with, try doing a quick LinkedIn search and connect with those people. A simple tip is to add a note introducing who you are, where you met, and why you want to stay connected in the future.
The last thing is to always send thank yous and maintain your network. It's really important to express your gratitude and send thank yous to those who have helped you along your path. Remember that building your network is not a one-time thing. Just like friendships and any other relationships, we have to nurture and maintain our network. As you move on from different stages of your career, remember to send updates every once in a while to your previous mentors, coworkers, managers. I'm sure they all care and feel invested in you and your success.
And remember, we wouldn't be talking about networking if we also didn't talk about getting rejected or left on red. Networking is hard. Make sure to always acknowledge the small achievements you make along the way. And whether that be reaching out to someone for the first time or jumping into a networking Zoom call, although not every opportunity will lead to a job, it is always worthwhile to learn and make connections with the people around you.
Thanks so much for joining us as we demystified the networking process and hopefully gave you some helpful tips for building your own network. Make sure to check out Decrypted by Us's other videos and feel free to leave any questions you have in the comments. A huge thank you to Alaina Levine, whose great networking advice strategies we included in this video. Please check out her work in the description. See you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.